GDCap26 here for tips in repairs and hobbies. And we have these little tins by John James, and they're size 11. Size 11 is a good size to use to make a little tool to clean your nozzle on your airbrush. And what I'm going to do is take a little green stuff and put a little green stuff on the end of that just to make it so I can handle it as a tool. Okay, so I'll show you that afterwards. So I took about a 1mm piece with the scissors, cut it off the belt of the green stuff, and rolled it into a bowl to get it to mix to green. And then I stuck it around the number 11 size needle. And I'll leave that overnight to harden. It'll be a perfect tool to clean out the nozzle on my airbrush. And that's how small it is. To dig in there, you want to drop the nozzle into a little acetone and then dig in there with this tool right here. And I'm going to use this leather here, pierce it to keep track of where the tool is on my bench. So I just wanted to show you that. I hope you make one of these, and I hope you rate, subscribe, and ring the notification bell for more videos. And I hope you're having a good day. Thanks for watching.